Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add a sent sticker to your favorites on Instagram. This updated feature makes it simple to keep track of your most loved stickers, enhancing your messaging experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you haven't already, ensure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It usually resembles a paper airplane or speech bubble. Tap on this icon to access your direct messages. Now that you're in your messages, find and open the chat that contains the sticker you want to save. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat where you've shared some fun stickers. Once you've opened the chat, locate the sent sticker you wish to add to your favorites. This is where it gets interactive. Click and hold on the sticker until a menu appears. From this menu, select the option that says Favorite. By doing this, you're officially adding that sticker to your favorites list. This means you can easily access it for future chats without having to search for it again. And there you have it. You've successfully added a sent sticker to your favorites on Instagram. This small yet handy feature allows you to personalize your messaging experience and keep your favorite stickers just a tap away. Remember, keeping your favorite stickers organized can make chatting more fun and expressive, so go ahead and try it out. You'll find that having quick access to your beloved stickers can brighten up any conversation. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends who might also want to enhance their Instagram experience. Happy messaging!